Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video we discuss the ninth chapter, section 2nd of the novel Inside the Haveli. This is the last chapter of section 2nd. In the very beginning of this chapter, we are told that the young mistress of the Haveli, Geeta, is in a depressed mood because a day before her relatives Kanta Baisa and Manji Baisa came to the mistress of the Haveli and they almost quarrel with the mistress of the Haveli regarding the activities that were going on in the Haveli of that school. Then Geeta is in restless position. She is unable to sleep. When darkness increases, her husband Ajay Singh comes and sleeps by her side. He enjoys a sound sleep, but because of her tension and restlessness, she couldn't enjoy a sound sleep. When she gets up early morning, her personal maid servant Dhapu comes and wakes up his little child Vikram and then helps Vikram to have bath. Then it was Vikram who was gargling with pleasure. When Geeta sees his little son gargling with pleasure, then a motion of pleasure is set into her mind and she is also overjoyed. At that time, her personal maid servant Dapu opens a dialogue with her. She says that it is rainy season and the sky is almost clear. There are no clouds and the sky is as clear as the waters of Lake Pichola. And if the rains are not there, then the fields will not be full of greenery. Crops will not be there. Fodder will not be there. It seems that the god of rain is annoyed with the persons living in Mewad. And if the yields are not there, then how will she repay the loan that she has taken from Khyali? She tells Geeta, the young mistress of the Haveli, that Khyali, the cook of the Haveli, is a blood-sucking moneylender who charges a sum of rupees 2 for every 100 rupees for the loan time period of 1 month. Then Geeta tells her personal maid servant Dhapu that if she is interested to take more loan without interest, she can help her. Then her personal maid servant Dhapu tells her that she has been already given a sum of rupees 1000 by her husband Ajay Babu. Then she is not interested to increase the amount of the loan that she has received from Haveli. Then Tapu tells Geeta that it is not she who is leaking information regarding her personal life, and it was not she who told others that Ajay Singh is going to accept a big post in Delhi University. Then Geeta doubts her intentions. Then Geeta asks her if she has not done that, then who could be? Because most of the time it is she who is around her room. Then, when Geeta becomes stern with her personal maid servant Dhapu, then Dhapu agrees that it is she who was listening to their talks of Ajay Singh ji and then the mistress of the Haveli, and it was she who leaked the informations. Then it is Gita, who recollects that these maid servants are in a habit of listening to the private talks of the owners of the Haveli, and it is through their source that their personal informations reach the other Havelis, and they are re-echoed from those Havelis and come back to her own Haveli. And thereafter, suddenly Parijiji and the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, arrive in the room of Gita. And then Gita tells that she is going to close all those classes because it is against the custom of the Haveli, and others are annoyed and they are finding fault with Gita and also with her mother-in-law, and because of his teaching classes, mother-in-law faces a lot of problems, so she has withdrawn. Then Gita's mother-in-law Kavarnisa tells Gita that she has been permitted by her father-in-law Bhagwat Singh Ji, and if Bhagwat Singh Ji has allowed this activity to go on in the Haveli, then she is least worried about what others say. She is not worried even about the world. So, who are all these maid servants making a complaint? Then Gita is further informed by her mother-in-law that mother-in-law has not arrived over there in order to resolve this issue. There is yet another issue, and then that issue opens up once again, about which Dhapu and Gita were talking. The maid servant is slightly doubtful, and the mistress of the Haveli tells Gita that through reliable sources she has come to know that Ajay Singh is making a plan to go to Delhi in order to seek a job of reputation. Then she tells that Ajay Singh may not be interested to go out of Udaipur to desert the Haveli, but if both of them are interested, they can have their own decision. Then the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, tells Gita that her father-in-law was given the post of prime ministership in the state of Bikaner, but he rejected this proposal because her mother-in-law Kavarnisa was not interested to leave her own Haveli and live outside Udaipur and to go to Bikaner. So Bhagwat Singh Ji had to give up such a prestigious job of prime ministership in Bikaner. Even then, she leaves the decision to the happiness of the both of them, that is Ajay Babusa and Gita. And then she further clarifies that Ajay Babusa is not a person who would like to provide pain to anyone. He is the last person to do that. He can give up his own personal happiness rather than causing some suffering to others. Then Gita also understands that she has been given a freedom to go outside Udaipur, but her mother-in-law is not interested to take such a decision. And then she tells her mother-in-law that she would not be doing anything which is against the reputation of Haveli, because she knows that this is the Haveli that has been giving various ministers to the states of Mewad and also to the Maharanas of Mewad. And she also remembers the example of Bhagwat Singh Ji, who had the post of the prime ministership in the estate of Mewad. Of course, she knew that Haveli is losing its income and also losing its glittering. Of course, it has been quite old, but she was not there to bring the reputation of the Haveli at a stake. But again, she is supported by her mother in law that she may go ahead and she should not be interested in what the maid servants are telling her, and she should be firm and resolute. We shall be taking the next chapter of this novel Inside the Haveli in our next video class. Thank you so much.